got another little project I got to do here today. I'll show you what I got here. It is, I got a bush hog here. And the problem I got is where this lift pin sticks through this plate on this bush hog, it has cracked right here. So, get down here closer to it. You can see the crack right there on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pin off, and I'm going to weld it back, put a weld joint on it. And then I think what I'm going to do to help strengthen it is move this bracket here, undo it here, and move that bracket forward a little bit and have it hook right there. I think that will strengthen it. If it breaks again, I'm going to have to go back, put this back, and then put a plate on this. So we'll get started here, get it all set up. I guess what I'll do is just take a welding rod, and I got to grind it and grind a little V in it, put a little groove in it, and then I'll weld that groove and hopefully get that thing put back together. So. I used a 6010 rod, or 6011. I don't have any 6010s, so the welder would, actually cover a 6011. So, and that burns in pretty good. Now I'm just going to do a cover with some 6013 over top of that, and then I'll get her all set back up. I got to grind her back down and get her set back up for the bolt. I have this mag drill, so I'm gonna, and I've got me a piece of 6-inch by probably 2.5-inch, 1/4-inch plate that I'm going to drill a hole in that will match up to the hole on that, instead of having to remount both of those brackets. So I'll just do hopefully one hole and just weld that in there. So let's get going here. Check it out. Look at that. Fits perfect. Get it on the old bush hog over there and weld this plate to that. Alright, I'm going to go to my MIG gun now and use this. This is something I just got within the last week. We'll turn this thing on and let her fire up here. It's a MIG 260, it's a Lincoln 260 power MIG. So I'm going to get her all set up here for, alright, I'm set up for a 1/4 inch. I got CO2 argon gas, 035 wire, and I'm going to be using my MIG gun. So it's set up for 21 volts and 370 inches of wire speed per minute. So let's see how I do with this. Tack her on here. Make sure my gas is on. Running a little low on gas, but we'll see if I can get it done. Okay, so here's that plate I got on there. So now I've got to did it on that side, on the top, and on this side. I did not weld underneath it. So anyway, I'll put some more paint on that, put the bolt back in it, and that hole lined up pretty good right there. So we're going to be good to go here in just a little bit. All right, and there she is. Now all I have to do is hook her back up, take her to the barn, put her away until I need to use it again. Anyhow, she's back together. Like I say, I got to move her. Another project complete. So everybody have a good day. Summertime is closing in on us. It's getting warm. It's hot and humid today here. So let's all get out and do something.